issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in Orange County, Putnam County, Rockland County, Hudson County, Essex County, Bergen County, Westchester County, Union County, Passaic County until 10 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rainfall moving into the warned area. Rainfall rates of 1/2 to 1 inch per hour, with locally high rates possible. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause elevated levels on small creeks and streams and ponding of water in urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas and low-lying spots. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. A flood warning means flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream.